Hello traders and investors, welcome back to the Trend Trader channel. We saw in the past, whenever companies disposes an asset, they have two choices among other choices. The first choice is to reinvest the proceeds of that disposal back into the business growing the company. The other alternative is to return the capital back to the shareholders if the business does not have a plan to invest that capital into any of the existing business or to take any new business. So this theme has been happening a lot lately, especially with property companies. The recent property company to do such is Tradehold. Tradehold is a property investment holding company. It operates in South Africa and also in the United Kingdom. The stock is listed in the JSE Security Exchange, and if you are Easy Equities investor, you can buy these shares through the Easy Equities platform, but you can also buy the shares with any other platform that is available at your disposal. So we saw that Tradehold released this stock exchange news service. In summary, the company disposed an asset for a consideration of about 103 million British pounds. But not all of that money is going to be returned back to shareholders. As we can see at the bottom here, they detail how that money is going to be spent. The first half of the money, not necessarily half, some of the money is going to be used to buy some company B shares that are held by RMB. And then the remaining balance will be returned back to shareholders in a form of a special dividend. I know that for some investors, we've been buying a couple of companies in the past that have paid us good special dividends. So this is one of the companies that will be paying a special dividend in the near future. So this special dividend from Tradehold is R4.34. That is before tax. So they have the information regarding the dividend tax and how much money you can expect to get as a shareholder after subtracting the dividend withholding tax. So you can see here that the special dividend amount after the dividend withholding tax, the amount is going to be R3.47. There is a decimal there after that 20 cent, but in summary it's just about R3.47 that the shareholders will receive after that dividend withholding tax payment. Then the important dates that you need to know in order to understand when you're going to receive the dividend. So the dividend declaration was done on the 31st of October. Then the last day to trade in order to participate in the dividend is 15 November. And the stock will trade ex-dividend from 16 November. The record date is on the 18th of November. Then as shareholders of Tradehold shares, you can expect to receive the special dividend on the 21st of November 2022. So if you're interested in receiving a special dividend from this company, you need to ensure that by 15 November, you would have bought the shares, because the shares will start trading ex-dividend on the 16th of November. Whether the share price is going to drop by that R3.50 on the ex-dividend date, we yet to see that what will happen. But in summary, Tradehold will be paying R3.47 a special dividend to Tradehold shareholders that will be on the record book by the 18th of November. One comment that I want to make, if you look at the chart of Tradehold, you can see that the trading volume is about 398, which is reflected here in the volume. It's about 3.98k, which is just less 4,000 all the way up to about 98,000. So it's not a mostly liquid stock, so don't be surprised if your order, especially on Easy Equities, if your order becomes a pending order for quite some time, because ideally stock should trade at least 100,000 shares so that we can consider that stock to be liquid. But if you're an investor, you're supposed to be a patient person and you're supposed to know what you are doing. So that's it that I wanted to share with you today. If you found value in this video, please feel free to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and make sure that you smash that like button. I will see you in the next video.